son of a biscuit. My darn thing went off. Well, look at that. Now that we got that out of the way, what I want to do today is actually just go over designs with you. But we're going to do something, just ease into it. Just ease into it. So, we're going to go to Chrome, because for some reason, Command always works better in Chrome. Console, Command. I logged in recently, so I didn't have to do that whole plug and chug sort of thing. Let's see here. So, within the Command console app thingy, we're going to go down here to Designs. It's this little square with a little paintbrush. It says Designs. So, once we get into Designs, it's going to take you to your template page. And it'll give you a bunch of different options. For our purposes today, we're just going to go straight to the video. Right here, you'll see I have 3 just because I've been goofing, messing around. Because it's really easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a video of a neighborhood in Durango. So we're going to hit this little plus sign. We're going to stick with the video. I'm going to hit next. Right here is where we're going to type in the neighborhood. For Durango, let's type in probably Durango, not Drop Shadow. Don't know why that's in there. That's weird. All right, so we got some, these neighborhoods can be kind of named a little funny sometimes. But you see like Three Springs, Sky Ridge, Dalton Ranch, all those type things. I have noticed in going through some of this and just kind of messing around with it, some of the neighborhoods don't pull any information, so it just says 000, but you can always get the information from Kren if they don't have this, because this just comes straight from KWMLS. So, hey, I got 2 North Durangos. Let's do another downtown Durango, and then I'll have 2 downtown Durango videos that are exactly the same. Who doesn't want that? All right, so we got downtown Durango. You can even rename it if you really wanted to. You can fully customize all of these that go in the video, but it just pulls the information from KWMLS. This is where those numbers are coming from. This is where you're getting the thing on the rise, holding steady, days on market, number of homes for sale, and if you do scroll down here, you'll kind of just see a little bit of tags that go along with the neighborhood. Hops and brews, outdoorsy, yoga culture. Yeah. I mean, sounds like downtown. Sure. You can always add in some, take some away, do whatever you want to do. Fully customizable. We'll go down to our agent information. Oh, look at this little guy. Aww. So we got, we'll just double check everything, make sure it looks good. I mean, it pulls it straight from your profile, your command profile. So it should be hopefully pretty good. We'll just quickly throw in my number. And then we'll go down to our market center, brokerage information. Yeah. Anyways, so it automatically puts in my license number, does each office is independently owned, operated. And then right here, it just automatically puts in our market center's logo. KWRSA. Yes. I've written it so many times, I don't know why it's hard to say. Anyways, so you can add in your own logo if you wanted to, or just leave it like that. We're just going to hit next. And it's thinking. It says this may take up to 10 seconds. Really? 10 seconds? You can't do it faster? Really? It probably could if you had better internet than I do. Oh, there we go. That didn't take long. Full heads up here. It's going to be kind of loud, but I like the music. It's campy. It's exciting. It just puts a smile on your face. Here we go. We're going to watch our our sample here. Maybe. Okay. Yeah, you guys get the idea. If you don't see it here, sometimes you just need a little refresher like that. Now you see I got 2 downtowns, 2 norths. I'm ready to rock with the video. And to download it, it's simple. You just click on it or click those little buttons right here. Download using campaigns, share on social. So you can do campaigns and social right from here. Yeah, that's my spiel for today. Videos. Easiest thing in command, I think. Maybe not. Maybe. But if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out. I definitely want to be here to try and help with designs because there's so many good things within designs that KW has done for us, from information, neighborhood snapshots, flyers, social media, all sorts of different things, and tons of stock footage that you don't have to go pay for or do anything like that if you don't have a certain image that you're looking for. It's a good chance it might be in here. So anyways, enjoy your day. I will too. We'll see you next time. Thank you.